Welcome designers. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to convert a live hero section from any web page into an editable wireframe using the MockFlow Chrome extension. For this demo, we'll be using a website template, but feel free to follow along with any web page of your choice. Start by opening Chrome, clicking the MockFlow extension, and selecting Page Sections to Wireframes. Hover over the page to highlight sections, then click the hero section you want. This will select that section, and you'll see a Convert button appear. You can configure settings like Import Images and choose the MockFlow project to save your wireframe. Now, click on Import to bring the selected hero section into your chosen MockFlow project. Once imported, it will show up as a fully editable wireframe. You can now tweak the layout, move components around, or style it however you like to suit your design needs. Also, any images from the hero section will be automatically added to your MockFlow image library for easy reuse. Thanks for watching. Instantly convert any live hero section into editable wireframes with the MockFlow Chrome extension. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and design smarter, right from your browser.